Hey everyone, and welcome back to another week. Hope you guys are having a good one. This week, we're doing a product review. As you already saw, we have here today, this week, the Aeropress coffee maker. It's great for camping, whether you're car camping, backpacking. It's good for travel in general. If you're just sticking something in your luggage, say you want to go to a hotel but you don't want to deal with paying for the coffee. If you're one of those people, you could be picky, who knows. It's also good for at home, take to the office, that whole thing. Primarily though, it is for camping. I did use it a couple weeks ago when I went camping to Angel's Peak Scenic Area. You'll see that video later in the future. This thing is pretty great. For starters, it comes with its own cup and lid, but it's compact, so you open it all up, and it's all inside of this thing. It's all compact. You've got your cup, you've got your filter holder, you've actually got a holder for your filters. When you buy this, it comes with a box of Aeropress filters. They're making sure you get a 350 pack. But they have a little holder. You got your coffee scooper, should you want it. A little stir stick. You know, stir action going on. You never know. You've got your actual canister that you fill it into, and your plunger that pushes the water through your filter and whatnot. You got your measurements. So yeah, it's really easy. For starters, you take your filter holder. You don't make a mess of things because you can't help yourself. You're gonna open your little holder. Take out a filter. put that sucker in there, right? On the bottom, there's these threads. You line it up, it goes in, you twist, and it locks into place. Super simple, super easy. Then you get your coffee. Today, I'm having some Starbucks coffee because it's what my grandma has. And she wants me to drink it because she won't drink it apparently. So I'm drinking some Starbucks. It's the breakfast blend. Take your little scooper. Get yourself some coffee. You put the coffee in there. You could... I'm at home, so obviously this isn't how it goes down while I was camping. I didn't have a bag of specialty stuff. I had a Ziploc of coffee grounds. So it depends on how you're camping. If you're car camping, you might pack all this stuff. If you're backpacking, you probably won't pack everything. You might just keep the coffee and keep it simple. Who knows? If you're me and you're at home or you're car camping, you're rocking the sugar and the creamer. If I'm backpacking, I'm not. I might bring sugar, but I'm not rocking the creamer. That's silly. Silly weight addition. Alright, so you get your coffee in there, tap it, level it out. You put it over your cup. You then take your water. If you're camping, you probably have a different method of boiling, but when you're home, fill that sucker up. Now what I've learned is if I want this cup to be mostly full, I have to fill it up to 3 twice and get it in there. Take your stir cup, your stir stick, sorry. Stir up your coffee a little bit, get it going in there. Take your plunger. It'll already start draining, but this is to get the extra. And all you gotta do is just push. It's actually kind of fun to do the plunger part. And then you just easily back it back out. You can flip it. You don't want to get dirt on that. Pour some more water in. Don't burn yourself. That'd be bad. Don't do it. I don't know why. The whole plunging thing is actually really satisfying to me. Watching it go down, it's just satisfying. Make sure you get it all the way down. Get that water out. The satisfying pull. Again, weird things that make you happy. Take this sucker off, tap it. I don't know how much of a mess you want to make or not make. Totally your call. And then, of course, if you're home, you have your sugar. I like my coffee sweet, because I'm crazy. You make a mess. I'm imagining that if you're backpacking, you probably have like a Ziploc or you got the sugar packets. And then I get my crema when I'm not backpacking. So stick to mix up your sugar and everything else you've added because you're crazy and you like your coffee super sweet. Honestly, I've been told it's probably just because I haven't found the right coffee flavor. Which I won't argue with that, because I've had some coffee at local places here in New Mexico lately that I haven't had to have it super sweet. And I've still really liked it. Now the bonus thing is, you have a lid. Now, mostly I think it's for keeping it all in the cup when you're packing it. But let's say you need to go to the bathroom or something, you don't want to get any dirt in there. You just pop the lid on, and your coffee stays safe. I wouldn't shake it up, because you'll probably still make a mess. But yeah. Overall, I really like this coffee maker. definitely going to be using it a lot for camping. So, Aeropress, guys. It's the Aeropress. It's pretty nifty. You can use it for iced and other things. I'm not a coffee connoisseur like some people, so I'm gonna keep it simple and just do my regular hot coffee and just, you know, live my life the easy way. Because while I'm camping and backpacking, I don't really want to go through the effort of grounding up coffee beans and everything else. Maybe one day I'll get a home thing going, but for now, this works. If you're camping with it or backpacking, it is super light, compact, makes it easy for your pack. The cup itself is a 15-ounce cup, in case you're wondering about the size. For your measurements, the main reason they've got the numbers is, let's say you're doing espresso or latte type stuff. Basically, you've got 1, 2, 3 servings, because you would plunger it out and then fill the cup or whatever other cup you're using with water to balance it out, depending on how strong your coffee is. Again, if you're me, you're not getting fancy, you're doing it this way. And I just know that filling up to 2 times gets the cup full. So, get your Aeropress coffee maker. It's pretty fantastic. Next week, we'll be doing an adventure video, not a product review. However, there will be more to come for product reviews as I get going. I'm trying to get better equipment, all that kind of stuff, you know. It's work in progress. I'm working on it. Also, if you guys like my other stuff, you know, go back, watch my channel if you want to watch some adventure videos. Got any questions, comments, hit me up below. Tell me what your favorite coffee maker is. Tell me why it's your favorite coffee maker, you know. Tell me what kind of coffee you like. Maybe, just maybe, I'll explore some worlds of coffee out there and try some different flavors and see what I like. See if I can find a coffee flavor that I don't need sugar or creamer for and be completely content with. Black. We'll find out. Next week, we're probably going to go to Zion. So look forward to that. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe, follow along. Also, if you want to see some of my photography and some other tidbits of fun, go to my Instagram, Candy Tech Adventures, all one word. Follow along for that as well. So, for now, though, I'm going to drink some coffee and go do some editing, because that's what you do on your day off of work if you can't go outside because your city's in a lockdown. COVID needs to end. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.